Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Ensure you have owner or network contributor rights. Without them, you cannot provision the firewall. Next, create or pick a resource group and a virtual network with a dedicated subnet named Azure Firewall subnet. Then reserve a static public IP address and note the name. Once these are in place, begin the Azure Firewall deployment in the portal or via CLI, supplying the resource group, VNet, subnet, and the reserved public IP so the instance can be created. After deployment, configure the core rule sets and logging. Use application rules to allow HTTP/HTTPS domains and network rules to permit IP and port traffic. NAT rules handle inbound DNAT for published services. Pay attention to rule order because Azure Firewall evaluates rules top to bottom. Place specific, allow rules above broader denies. Enable threat intelligence to flag malicious traffic, and configure diagnostic settings to send logs and metrics to log analytics or storage. Make sure to test rules incrementally so you can verify connectivity and policy effects. Finish by integrating the firewall into your network and validating behavior. Update subnet route tables to direct outbound and east-west traffic through the firewall using a next hop of virtual appliance. Test with VMs using network watcher tools, IP flow verify and packet capture to confirm allowed and denied flows. If traffic is blocked, inspect rule order first, then NSGs and UDRs, and consult diagnostic logs in log analytics for dropped packets or application rule mismatches. One key tip: change one variable at a time to isolate the root cause quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.